Namaskar दोस्तों, we have an important statement to make. Situation in Afghanistan is extremely alarming. India's strategic interests are at stake. Safety and security of our embassy, its personnel, as also that of our citizens is at stake. Congress party stands solidly behind protecting India's interests and expects a mature political and diplomatic response from our government over the complete collapse of government in Afghanistan and takeover by Taliban. Despite this, the stunning silence of Narendra Modi government is deeply disturbing and highly intriguing, which is beyond any reasonable understanding. Modi government's refusal to set in motion a well thought out plan to evacuate our citizens is a gross abdication of its duty and is completely unacceptable. Taliban and Haqqani networks connections with Pakistan's ISI and Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Toiba and Jamaat-ud-Duwa and many other such terror outfits are well known. There is an urgent need to revisit our geopolitical interests in this background and its impact on Jammu and Kashmir. Sadly, Modi government remains oblivious of the same. Prime Minister and External Affairs Minister need to come out and clearly spell out our policy for safe return of our citizens, our embassy personnel, as also our future relationship. Unexplained silence at this extremely critical juncture gives rise to a reasonable apprehension that Modi government is hiding something from the country. After all, we are still in the dark over Modi government's role in Doha talks with Taliban. Need of the hour today is that Modi government wakes up from its slumber and protects Indian citizens and Indian interests in Afghanistan and tells the country how it will tackle the dangerous situation in the immediate neighborhood.